Hey everybody, what's going on? Josh here with Scrapyard Films, and today I'm going to be showing you another Vegas Pro 16 tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make a pop-out or cutout effect kind of like this. And if you want to make something like that, go ahead and continue watching this tutorial. If that's not something you want to do, I have plenty of other tutorials on my channel you can come check out. And by the way, this is the end of October when I'm recording this video, and I have a second giveaway I'm giving out, so you can check out that link below. It's totally free to enter and your chances are really good. So let's get started on the tutorial. Alright, so first get the clip that you're going to be wanting to make yourself pop out of. And I'm going to be choosing the clip that I used in the intro right there because I have a solid point where I just stand perfectly still. You want to make sure you are at least not moving at all so you have no frame rate to deal with and it's just a solid picture. So here's the clip I'm going to be using. And right there is where I stand still, or still enough. And then I come back out. So our ultimate goal is we're actually going to take a screenshot out of this clip. So I'm going to probably do mine. Right there looks pretty good. Best way to take a screenshot, press S to split the clip. And then up here there's a screenshot button. We can click that and save it anywhere. I'm going to name this, and just keep it image 1, put it on the desktop. Once that's done saving, let's drag it into place. Put it right here. By default it's 5 seconds long, so it's going to be stopping exactly at the part I want it. And then it's going to be ending, coming back down. We can actually speed up this part. So, because I definitely held that position a little long. So let's bring that back, put that down. So this is the picture we're going to be working with. Now our ultimate goal is to separate us from the background, and I'm doing this behind a green screen. You can do this without a green screen, but you'd need Photoshop. If you have a green screen, you won't need Photoshop. So I'm going to show you how to do it with a green screen. Alright, to make a nice smooth transition to removing the background, I'm going to duplicate this by holding Control and dragging it up. And then I'm going to go about 5 frames in on the bottom track. Split it, and then go 5 frames back from the end of that. Split it, and we're going to delete the middle and fade the edges to where they butt up with the source footage. Now we want to remove the green background with any keying software of your choice. I went over that in my last video, so I'm not going to go to any details on this one. I'm going to link that video in the description below if you want to learn how to do that. Okay, so once you've keyed out the green, it's going to look like this. And now all we do is adjust the crop in the timeline. So let's click on that timeline itself. Go about 5 frames in again. Then we're going to insert a keyframe. And then from there, let's go to the end of the timeline. Go 5 frames back. Insert a keyframe. And then here, we're going to make sure X and Y is selected, but not the size about center. And we're going to drag the top down. About right there. And then copy the first frame. Paste it at the end. So this is what it looks like. Alright. And then all we need to do now is add a background under here. So we can do that with any kind of background itself. They have media generators in Vegas, so let's do one of those. So once we've added that in there, we could actually even animate this one a little bit to pan and crop out. So let's bring that in. Let's enable size about center again. Let's bring it in right about here. And then at the end, we'll put it back, so right about here. We just need to adjust a little more in the first frame. Let's drag it up or something. There we go. So now we'll see that middle line move. And there we go. In a very simplified version, that's how you remove the background of your footage with a green screen. I'll be putting up a video in the future of how to do it without a green screen, but that's going to require Photoshop, so I decided I'm going to do this one first because that doesn't require any additional software. So there you have it. Hey everyone, thanks for watching that video. If that helped you out at all or if you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that little bell next to the subscribe button so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.